Well, the law enforcement guys, the SWAT guys, one of the biggest problems I seen when I started to work with them is, they're doing the latest fad. For instance, like right now, grappling is popular, so they're going to have a grappling instructor come in and teach them grappling methods, which is good. It could be beneficial, but it is in no way tailored to what they have to do every day. It's not really tailored for the gear they have to wear, the weapons they have to carry, the environment they have to be in. So that's what I started to do, is develop programs that were designed specifically for their environment. At first, I had to go do their training. I had to go to SWAT camp. They would loan me some of their gear. They'd loan me like the bulletproof vest, a couple of the belt rigs, and I brought it back to the school and would train in it. And things are different with that gear on. So you started to see, if I'm on the ground, I might not do this technique that a civilian is doing because he's going to have on a t-shirt and jeans. I've got a weapon which I've got to protect while I'm trying to deal with this guy who's trying to kill me. So plus sometimes too in the SWAT environment, I've got 8 guys behind me who could help out if they're trained to help out intelligently. So with all that into consideration, we started training around those ideas. And then, they would go to a DT room. They had a nice mat, which is okay. We started there, but our goal is to eventually go out into a house that we don't mind destroying, put the gear on, and then I actually put them through their paces, the environment. I get to be the bad guy. I'll attack you at some point, and you have to deal with me with full gear on and full kit on.
Man, please search warrant! Search warrant! Got one left deep! One left room.
So, changed it a little bit, which they liked. The ones I've worked with so far have not had anyone create that for them yet.
Hi, my name is Stacy Roberts. I'm a bodyguard or an executive protection specialist with the International Protection Group out of Manhattan, New York. I've trained and been Special Forces in the Army, SWAT cop for almost 9 years, and been in the executive protection business for the last 4. I can't say nothing but high things about Atlanta Martial Arts Center, high praise, and I think they're a first-class group, and I don't think anybody would go wrong training here.
The bodyguards also, I would see them doing different types of systems. This particular system is popular right now. Let's go do that. It has to be good. Everybody's doing it. But if you look at what their job is, how they have to dress, they have to protect a principal, and they have to be a certain distance from that principal. And it's their job to protect the principal, not to fight the bad guy. But they're learning systems that to do this system, I have to go fight the bad guy, which makes no sense. My number one goal was to protect the principal and get him out of here. So I'm literally leaving and fighting at the same time. And though we're not supposed to say this, you have to take into consideration cameras that are taking pictures of you. You're working for this guy. So if you get caught in a picture holding somebody like this, you're fired and you're sued. So the techniques you use have to fit that previous environment, and they have to look innocent.